Hi everyone! Okay, so in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to do matrix multiplication. So let's start off with a little intro. So let's say I have a matrix A. And I'm going to write its entries like this. A1, 1, A2, 1, A3, 1, A1, 2, A2, 2, A3, 2, A1, 3, A2, 3, and A3, 3. Okay. Now, I'm going to call this length here n, and this is the rows. And this length right here is m, and this is the columns. And so I would describe I will call A n by m matrix. Whoops. Matrix. Okay. And so when you describe the dimensions of a matrix, you always write the row first and then the column. And so the way I remember it is that it's rude to talk about how wide a person is. So you talk about how tall a person is. And so you talk about how tall a matrix is, which is its rows, and then you talk about the columns. Okay. And now let's look deeper into this, how I wrote this entry. So A12 is it's similar. It's saying the first row and second column. So it's just saying the coordinates of this value in the matrix. Okay, doing good. All right, let's move on to multiplication. Multiplication. Okay. Let's say I have two matrices. I have A, which is n by m, and I have B, which is p by q. So, before I can multiply A and B, I have to check their dimensions. And so there's a condition with multiplying matrices. So, if, I'm going to write this part in a different color, m does not equal p, change, you cannot multiply them. Multiply, whoops, forgot an I, A and B. But on the flip side, if m does equal p, you, where's my yellow, can multiply A and B. So you have to check that first. And so, in other words, the inner dimensions, let me use this color, the inner dimensions have to be equal. And then, once you determine that they're equal, you know that A and B will be a n by q matrix. And so that's how it works. So let's go through an example. Example. I'm gonna have A equal 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2. And then B is equal to 1, 1, 0, 0, 4, 6. Yeah. All right. Let's look at the dimensions. A is 2 by 2. B is 2 by 3. And so their inner parts match. And so that means I'll have A, B be a 2 by 3 matrix. Okay. Now let's do the actual multiplication. I, A times B will equal 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2 times 1, 1, 0, 0, 4, 6. Okay. I'm going to break this down. So how this works is that let's figure out this first part of AB, which is the first row, first column. So how that works is that you're going to take the first row of A and multiply it with the first row of B. And so that means we'll have 2 times 1 plus minus 1 times 1. And you'll do this for the other entries of AB. And so now I'm going to do the second row of A, first column of B. That's 3 times 1 plus minus 2 times 1. Again, keep repeating. This is 2 times 0 plus minus 1 times 0. 3 times 0 plus minus 2 times 0. And then 2 times 4 plus minus 1 times 6. 3 times 4 plus minus 2 times 6. And from here, you simplify, which is 1, 1, 0, 0, 2, 0. And this, where's my color, is a 2 by 3 matrix. So yeah, there you have it. That's how you do matrix multiplication. Thanks for watching.